Hey everybody, thanks for clicking on this video. I'm Mason the Mason with Wyatt and Sons Construction. Me and my brother and dad work together every day at this business. And now we got our new friend, Jake. He's working with us every day. Come show yourself, Jake.
Yo, what's up?
That's Jake. He's our man. He's the ball sack. He holds everything together for us. You look behind me here. This is the dog coop, which is now gonna be part of our butcher shop. This is gonna be the hanging room, so we're gonna insulate it and turn it into a cooler. Today we're pouring the floor in. If you look at my past video, I laid the block on this, and this was supposed to be a dog coop, but now it's the meat locker. We got the walls up, roof, door, all that fancy stuff. This is where the beef and pigs are gonna hang on that chain on our beam right there. So we're pouring the concrete, got everything all rebarred and plastic and ready to go. And this is just one part of the butcher shop here. Go through this door. We're not entirely sure what this room is gonna be, but it's getting a concrete floor, so it'll be nice. It's super cold outside, ice everywhere. And good thing this is enclosed and we can keep heat in here so our concrete won't freeze. The concrete truck is here. He's bringing them around the back entrance. I think it's the crazy concrete truck driver, Meatball Matt, today. He's bringing them around the back way. Pulling up. Let's see the shirt, Sawyer.
Let's see the shirt?
Let's see the shirt.
What shirt?
That shirt.
That shirt?
Oh yeah. Look at the details. Meatball Matt.
Hey.
This is our new guy, Jake.
The new guy.
Yeah. He's the ball sack. He holds us all together. Mixing up the concrete. Got the tunes going on the party speaker. Already. Got the first part all done, screeded. Moving on to the second part of our tiny meat locker. What's going on here, huh? Alright, the pour is completed. Next step is just to hand finish it. We're not even gonna bull float this. We want it set up quick because it's winter time. No, the cat's got on it. Already. That's what happens when you have 8 cats. They get in your concrete. Alright, so our meat locker room is completed. The floor's done. And we got some meat in here. This It's like 20 degrees out, so it's pretty much a freezer in this room. And this room's not done yet, but we got a nice like porch area out here. Got our chairs set up.